Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing and signing into the Teams app. Make sure you use the account invited to the meeting. Once done, grant microphone and camera permissions so audio and video work without interruptions. Now open the Calendar tab or the invitation email and tap the meeting link. That is the first actionable step. Make sure your phone is on a stable network, Wi-Fi preferred, and that you have any passcode or lobby details ready before you join. When you tap Join, you'll see audio options. Select Call using phone audio or use device audio. Choose Call Me if you need Teams to ring your number. You can toggle camera and set background blur for privacy. Use the preview to confirm framing. Once connected, mute yourself until ready, check the participant list to confirm presenters, and open chat to follow links or questions. These steps reduce noise and help you participate confidently. During the meeting, manage audio by switching between speaker and headset in the device audio controls. This fixes echo or low volume. If you lose audio or video, leave the meeting and tap Rejoin. If that fails, close and reopen the Teams app, then join again. Make sure background apps aren't using the microphone. If your mic still doesn't work, use the meeting chat to contribute. That ensures you stay engaged while you resolve device settings or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.